Okay, maybe I'm not a professional recording, but I'm gonna show you what we have over here. We have this lock. It's a gate locks. So if you have a gate and you're trying to install a lock, this is what is it over here. So the customer have this lock and he doesn't have the key. Okay, this is where's the key supposed to be. If you guys see that over here, the point, he don't want that lock. So he told me he want to be able to install a new lock that he can lock it and unlock it, and I explained to him that the option to make a key here, but after checking what's going on over here, it's messed up. So I don't know, the people that they had a key over here, they messed up the locks, and I don't know, probably they decide to leave it open and so put some glue or something inside, and I don't know what they did, but the option to make him a key, that's impossible. So we're gonna install for him a new lock, but instead removing this one, it's gonna look ugly with the holes and everything. So we're gonna leave that one, but we're gonna avoid the way that it will be locked. So we have this need to be removed. That way, one lock, if you install another lock in the bottom. So let's see. So how we gonna remove this one? So we need to take these two locks, two screws, and there is another lock, another screw that it's been hidden over there. Let's see which one so we can remove it. It's hard to record. You guys can see the screw, it's over here. It's gonna take it out. Look at that. See? Then we can pull it out and remove this one from the back. Here we go. So you can see we need to take these screws. One, two. That's it. So that way, if you guys remove that one, that part, let's get the screws so we can cover the holes. Be smart about it. See? Okay, so now if the doors will be locked, so that won't catch. And when we install the lock over there, so it's gonna be perfect. Let's do it. The purchase Viper, whatever it is. It's a good locks. I like the quality. It's not a cheap locks. It's about like, if you look in this locks, they cost about 50 to 79. It depends where you buy them. So the way to install it is super easy. So we need to take this one and make sure we install it in the way that this going to be. If you see, there is a sign over here show you where it's pull. So that one basically need to sit over here, right? Because it's not moving. So we want to make this over here, but it's left-handed. So we want to make it right-handed. So what is the catch? So the catch behind that, if you pull this one, pull it, and the same time you can replace, if you see, I don't know if you can see it, oh my god, so bad recording, but if you pull it, you can, look at that, you can pull that up and switch it in the another way. Let's take it out and put it in the another way, like this. Now it's going to be how we want it, you see? So it's going to be right-handed, right? This is what we need it to be right-handed. Right hand, it's this way. Yep. And then we can install. Let's start to the work. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Okay, after we did the first one, you guys can see that this one is opening like this, like this. So we put a one screw, we adjust it to make sure it's locked. See, it's locked perfectly. And then to make sure, we need to put the another one screw, 2, and the another side over here, 3 and 4. And the job is done. Look how beautiful.